Hi guys, we're over here. We're not in a farm, but we're somewhere. We're like, she has like a big cage full of them.
With the happy little baby chicken.
There's 4 eggs in there.
Yeah, there's one little baby chicken. One.
There's one
2,
here.
3.
There's one over there. 1 over there. 2 over there. 1 here, and 1 that's right here. So that equals 4. Oh! My sister's chicken is gonna run. Run for your life, boy.
Ya te tengo, tío. Mío.
We're out here. My brother just caught one, so he's gonna like be playing with it for now. I'm gonna show you the other birds that are like. Oh, my brother's just dropped. I'm gonna come right back, guys. Corner.
Hey, stop pushing my booty. Hey, where'd he go? Oh,
He got in. Guys, he got in. My sister's has her in a cup. Let me see. She's so cute. Or he. And here are the chickens. Can't see them well. There's over there. We were just feeding them like just right now. I'm going to the other birds. If you hear any like dog noises, there's stuff over here. There's plants. There's this. Oh yeah, there's even ducklings. This isn't a duck. It's something. I don't know what it is, but those are the ducklings. They don't like to get close to. Oh shit. Those are the ducklings. My sister still has hers in the cup.
And my brothers and my mom just got sick. I'm just sick.
Oh, bro.
What?
There's one right there. Ooh, there's chickens. I'm gonna feed them. It tickles, it doesn't hurt. Well, sometimes it does. Okay. I'm gonna have to feed them again.
Bro, watch out.
Just in case you're saying if it hurts, it kind of does. There's the little one that was eating. He isn't forced to be eating, but he wants to. There's one that doesn't even care if he's eating. He barely even drinks water. There's like white stuff in my hand. That's like the stuff for like, keeping the chickens like good and safe. And sometimes they actually might bite you. Ow! My hand is covered in white stuff. There's ones that are like right there. I'm gonna just feed the mango. Yours is the one.
My
the
girl.
biggest one.
My girl just...
There's the food. There are cracked corn and grains. Hope you enjoy it. We were with chickens. That's a baby chicken. It looks so big. There's 4 eggs. There's some females. There's definitely something in there. They could escape, like from that hole. There's a hole like right there, and the baby ducklings could get in and out. There's one way right there, and one right here that's like getting covered. Right here. It's pretty beautiful out here. There's stuff. The clouds in the phone do not look like regular clouds. I'm gonna show you the birds because those stupid annoying doggos, they're chihuahuas. They could kill you in 1.0 milliseconds. My sister just threw corn at my face. And make sure to like and subscribe. Hope you enjoy. Peace.